Number 11, grow louder. It means to increase in volume or intensity.
The crowd's cheers grew louder. The crowd's cheers grew louder. The music grew louder as the night went on. The music grew louder as the night went on. Their voices grew louder during the argument. Their voices grew louder during the argument.
Number 12, grow older. It means to age or become more mature.
As we grow older, priorities often change. As we grow older, priorities often change. He wants to travel more before he grows older. He wants to travel more before he grows older. She noticed more changes as she grew older. She noticed more changes as she grew older.
Number 13, grow plants. It means to cultivate plants in general.
She loves to grow plants at home. She loves to grow plants at home. Many people grow plants in their gardens. Many people grow plants in their gardens. He learned to grow plants from seeds. He learned to grow plants from seeds.
Number 14, have access to. It means to have the right or opportunity to use or benefit from something.
Students have access to the library. Students have access to the library. Employees have access to health benefits. Employees have access to health benefits. We have access to the internet at work. We have access to the internet at work.
Number 15, have an attack of. It means to suddenly experience a particular physical or emotional issue.
She had an attack of asthma. She had an attack of asthma. He had an attack of panic in the crowd. He had an attack of panic in the crowd. My grandmother had an attack of vertigo. My grandmother had an attack of vertigo.